Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings within the Days Gone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Days Gone game on your device, and once you open it up, you will end up within the main menu. From here, click on Options to see all of the available options that you have. Now, right within the mouse and keyboard section, you will see your mouse as well as the X and Y axis sensitivity. You can simply swipe the sliders to the right if you wish to increase your sensitivity and scroll it towards the left if you wish to decrease this. You can also choose the camera sensitivity as well as the aim sensitivity while you are on vehicle by doing the same process. And you can also invert the axis if you wish to do so by choosing the inverted options. After making your desired changes, you can go back into the main menu and start your new game, and you will now notice that your sensitivity settings have been immediately applied. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings within the Days Gone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.